Embark on a mystical journey towards a vegan realm with these 5 enchanting tips. The first tip is to explore new plant-based foods. There are so many delicious options out there that you may not have tried before. From jackfruit to tempeh to chia seeds, introducing new ingredients into your diet can be a fun and exciting adventure. The second tip is to experiment with spices and seasonings. Vegan food doesn't have to be bland or boring. By using different herbs, spices, and sauces, you can add depth and complexity to your meals. The third tip is to find vegan substitutes for your favorite dishes. Whether it's vegan cheese, meat alternatives, or dairy-free ice cream, there are plenty of options available to satisfy your cravings. The fourth tip is to meal prep and plan ahead. This can help you stay on track with your vegan diet, as well as save time and money. By cooking in bulk and storing meals in the fridge or freezer, you'll have healthy, delicious options at your fingertips whenever you need them. Finally, the fifth tip is to connect with other vegans. Joining a vegan community or attending events can help you stay motivated and inspired on your journey. It's also a great way to learn new recipes, share tips, and make new friends. So what are you waiting for? Let the magic of veganism guide you towards a healthier, more compassionate way of living.